at Busworld Turkey.
Yes.
What are you showcasing, and what is your message for the bus bodybuilders and the visitors out here?
Yes. Given our more than 20 years background, today we are showcasing at Busworld Istanbul, which is one of our core markets in global bus industry. Turkey is our homeland, plus, personally our nationality, we are Turkish. And we have a strong presence in the Turkey, even though our operations and the company is originated in Italy and still making all the production and technology development in Italy. We have strong relationships and base in Turkey. We are expert of making axles, gears and gearbox. And as you see today, we are also making e-axles, which integrates all the motor and inverter as a full package. Now we are collaborating with electronic partners to supply the full package from single source. For Indian market, it's also attractive for us. We are the technology owner, but for India local presence, we need a local partner for manufacturing. We are evaluating a couple of options for market entry, and we are in touch with some players. These are the things I can say at this stage due to confidentiality reasons.
How strong is the Turkey market for you, and which are the other markets in Europe that you work with the bus bodybuilders and OEMs? If you can give a snapshot of your market share.
Let's say Turkey has some strong presence. But also we are present in Europe, in Italy, in also UK. We have some strong presence. Of course, in Asia or non-European markets, it's not easy to grab market share from Europe. You need local presence in some territories like India or US, and we are working on that with some collaboration options.
And currently, how much is your manufacturing facility and strength?
We are operating in Italy in 10,000 square meters. Our operating model is, let's say, more asset-light and focused on know-how. We do engineering in-house, test and validation in-house, assembly in-house, sales in-house, but manufacturing is already outsourced to global suppliers. We don't have machining, casting, forging operation inside the BRIST. We are collaborating with suppliers from different territories for different configurations. So the model is quite easy to replicate in any other geography. The key is that we are the owner of the technology and owner of the product.
And you mentioned in the background, it's your competitive edge. It's fast to respond, flexible in design, proven in field.
We are a very compact organization. Operating model is quite agile. That is giving us big advantage compared to other industry incumbents. So we are very quick to respond because we are fast in decision making. And we are also providing some flexibility in design to satisfy customer specific needs of some niche segments, or even for increasing performance or increasing needs for a different driveline, because electrification is evolving the vehicle architectures, and we are a partner who can unblock your limitations to make the vehicle in your mind.
And lastly, both the conventional product and the e-axles, how has been the response in the market? What is the business like?
So let's say 30% of revenue is coming from products that we supply to an electric vehicle currently, but we expect that it will grow around 50 to 60% in the upcoming period. E-axle is, of course, has very little share because still we are in prototype phase. We are contracting some customers, but integrated solution share is tiny today. But we are supplying to electric vehicles many different configurations, and we expect e-axles will also increase its share gradually over the years.
Sure. Thank you so much, Güngör. Wish you all the best for all your plans.
You're welcome.
Lovely.